Changing your profile picture on Monster 2025 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Monster 2025 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your current profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Change Picture. In the Profile Settings menu, look for an option that says Change Picture or Edit Profile. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Upload New Image. You will be prompted to upload a new image. Click on the Upload button, then select the desired image file from your device. Make sure the image meets any specified size or format requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new picture, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to finalize your new profile picture. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Monster 2025. Enjoy your refreshed look.